What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with duaneTV, and in this video I want to talk to you guys about ways to be productive in the stock market. So today's date is December the 18th. I can show you guys that here on my screen, and you're currently looking at my portfolio. This is live. It's currently valued at $247,000. Today I actually was very fortunate and got like a 2-for-1 deal in regards to the stock market. Every now and then the stock market gods align perfectly and you're able to do some magical things in the stock market. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about how I lowered my average cost per share in regards to Lucid Motor and our Lucid Group, which is a stock that I own. And I also made $74 in 1 hour in the stock market. Now, this is not insanely impressive, but at the same time, the thing is, these small steps are a big deal, and you should celebrate it as such. Now, of course, if I had made $7,000, that would have been a bigger deal to the average person, but that's okay. I'm going to celebrate this small step, which is actually a big step, to be quite honest with you. So I'm going to be showing you guys my portfolio. I'm going to be showing you where I basically purchased some stocks with Lucid Group and I sold them within an hour, and I used margin investing, and I absolutely was able to make $74 profit and lower my average cost. Listen, if you're new to this channel, my name is Dwayne with duaneTV. On this channel, I talk about how to invest in the stock market. I talk about credit and credit cards, and I also talk about driving Uber and the random positive video about how to be a better version of yourself. If any of that sounds interesting to you, be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so you're in my portfolio here just to kind of give you guys an idea of what's going on. Still, I'm overall down. I have invested $260,000 since May of 2020, $260,000, and right now I'm sitting at $247,000. So as you can see, still very much down. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on Lucid Group here. This is live as of the making of this video. You see that Lucid is currently trading for $4.68. Right now, my average cost is $5.27. I made a YouTube short, showing you how to bring your average cost down. So in this short that I'm about to show you right now in this video, my average cost was $5.48, and I was able to bring it down to $5.27. So let's have a look at that short. What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with duaneTV, and in this video, I want to talk to you guys briefly about your average cost per share and how to bring it down lower. So right now, this is live. Lucid Group is trading for $4.69, and my average cost per share is $5.48. I'm gonna buy some shares because it's down a little bit, but my average cost is $5.48. So when I purchase some shares, it's gonna bring my average cost down lower because right now it's trading lower. So we're gonna click on trade, then we're gonna click on buy. Then we're going to buy 4,000 shares here. We're going to review, and we're going to slide it up, and it's going to submit my order, and you'll see that my average cost will be different. So $4.68 is what the price was. I bought 4,000 shares. Now my price went from $5.48 to $5.27, and that's how you bring your average cost down. Okay, so once again, you saw how I was able to do that. I brought the average cost down 21 cents, which is pretty freaking cool. And I used margin investing. Margin investing is where you borrow money from the brokerage and you pay them a certain percentage. So I will scroll down here and show you guys that I used $18,000. Right here you can see this is today. I'll show you guys on my phone actually. So let's switch over to my phone. So we're jumping into my phone here, and I'm gonna touch on Lucid here on the screen, and let's scroll down to where I made my order because I want to show you guys timestamps. Okay, so here we are. You see the history. You see December the 18th. You see here that I borrowed $18,720 with my buy here. I'll click on that. At the bottom of the screen, you can see December 18th, 10:33 a.m. I bought 4,000 shares at $4.68. Okay, so 10:33 a.m. Then right above it, you can see I sold 4,000 shares for $4.70, just a 2 cents difference. Okay, so 2 cents times 4,000 shares is $80. So it's a $80 profit. you can see that the order was filled at 11:33. So once again, the first order was at 10:33. See that here at the bottom of the screen, 10:33, and then I sold at 11:33. So that's a 1 hour, and it's a 2 cents difference. Now you could see that I borrowed using margin investing $18,720, and if I do the math on that to show you guys how margin investing works, 18,720. So that's how much I borrowed. Right now Robinhood is charging 8% to borrow money from them. So we'll do that times 0.08. Okay, so it's $1,497 for the year. If I was going to borrow that, we'll divide that by 12 because there's 12 months, and we're going to divide this by 30 to resemble 30 days in the month. I'll do 30 even though we're in December and there's 31 days in this month. Anyway, so I'll do 30, and you could see for each day that's going to be $4.16. Now keep in mind that I once again I borrowed 18,720. So 18,720, and then I sold for 18,800. Okay, so that is a $80 difference. So we're gonna do the $4.16 minus $80, and that is what I made as far as profit today. 75 bucks. Let's just round it off and say 75 bucks. Now, believe it or not, that is magical. The stock market doesn't always, it's not always easy like that to, number one, bring your average cost down from $5.48 to $5.27. Okay. But this is a tactic that you can use when the stock that you're investing in is trading lower. That's how you can bring your average cost down. And once again, I had margin investing. So I used margin investing just for 1 hour. I made 75 bucks from that, which is a pretty big deal. You know, people can say what they want to say. Obviously, people are not impressed with a lot of things these days.
Message.
You know, it would be more impressive to say that I made $7,000 in 1 hour, but I'll take my 75 bucks. That is a huge victory, a small one, but all the small things add up to big things, and I'll take it. All right, but I wanted to show you guys that that you have to be smart when investing in the stock market, and today was a perfect example of that. And just kind of want to show you guys shouldn't necessarily worry about trying to do stuff like this. However, the more that you pay attention to the stock market and try to understand, the more educated you will become, and maybe have a higher risk tolerance later on the more you invest. And maybe one day you can use money from margin investing from your brokerage and make a similar move. Now, I could have held that position for a longer time, hoping that the cost would go back up substantially and I'd make a bigger profit. But sometimes you got to take the small wins, and $75 in an hour is a huge win. I'll absolutely take that. But I wanted to make this video documenting that. Listen, if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up as well. All right. Once again, my name is Dwayne with duaneTV, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.